Today, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 affordable fashion hacks to help you dress luxuriously while still being on a budget. Let's get started. Tip 1. Embrace secondhand shopping. Thrift stores and online platforms are treasure troves of designer pieces that can be found at a fraction of their original price. Really take your time and hunt for unique and high quality items. I myself found a St. John dress at a thrift store. It normally retails in the thousands, but I got it for under $25. It's quite literally like finding treasure. A pro tip is to go thrift store shopping in an expensive city or downtown. They usually have a higher volume of luxury items donated. Tip 2. Make friends with the sales rack. Timing is key when it comes to finding the best deals. Wait for seasonal sales or clearance events to score those coveted pieces at deeply discounted rates. This is also true for home decor. After Christmas sales, guys, everything is 50% off. Tip number 3, accessorize like a pro. Statement jewelry, scarves, and belts can transform a basic outfit into a stylish masterpiece. It's okay to splurge on these pieces. They're going to last for years and they can elevate your entire wardrobe. A designer handbag or accessory can be worn with multiple different outfits and used every day. Here's an example of tip number 3. I have a traditionally basic outfit, but with this, it's starting to look a little bit bougie. Tip number 4, invest in timeless basics. Classic wardrobe staples like a little black dress or a tailored vest never go out of style. Again, these are pieces that you can mix and match with multiple different outfits. They'll last you for years and they'll elevate your overall wardrobe. Tip number 5, choose classy pieces instead of trendy outfits. Some trends can come and go within a matter of months, but a classic item is never going to go out of style. We're talking trouser pants, we're talking wool coats, we're talking pointy-toed pumps. These are pieces that can be one-time purchases for you, and you know you're not going to need to revamp your entire wardrobe in a couple of years. Tip number 6, rent designer pieces for special occasions. Instead of splurging on expensive gowns or tuxedos, consider renting them for a fraction of the price. There are several online platforms that allow you to rent these designer pieces and then return them when you're done wearing them. This is cost effective, you don't have to worry about stashing it in your closet or reselling it, and it's going to save you a ton of money. Let's be honest, if you have an outfit that's really memorable, a true statement gown, how many times are we really going to wear that again? With renting your pieces, you'll still look fabulous, but you won't burn a hole in your wallet. Tip number 7, learn some basic sewing skills. This can allow you to do your own tailoring and get a really nice custom fit. You can hem your own pants, you can replace your buttons. So fun fact, I actually took a sewing class with my mom and I learned how to sew on a sewing machine and everything. And at that time in my life, I was in my early 20s and I actually used to tailor all of my own clothes. Now I don't have the time, but it is a valuable skill to know. Tip number 8, layer your outfits strategically. Layering adds depth and complexity to your look. You can mix and match different textures and patterns for an effortlessly chic look. Tip number 9, take care of your clothes. Properly laundering and storing your garments is going to extend their lifespan and you can enjoy them for years to come. Read the care labels, follow the instructions carefully, whether it's hand wash, dry clean only, air dry. Another thing I like to do is prevent moths from eating my clothes. I do a mix of mothballs, moth traps, and storing my wool and cashmere sweaters in fabric bags. The moth traps are actually really cool. It has a moth pheromone and a sticky surface, so the moths are attracted to the little trap and then unfortunately they get stuck inside, but your clothes stay hole free. I tested this out and let me tell you, when I was having a moth problem, completely eliminated. And tip number 10, confidence is your best accessory. No matter what you wear or where you bought the clothes from, be proud of your style choices. Own it and rock it with confidence. One of my favorite quotes of all time, it's not the clothes that make the woman, it's the woman that makes the clothes. It's about you in the clothes. You are your greatest statement piece, the best accessory, the highlight of any ensemble. I hope you enjoyed these 10 affordable fashion hacks. I hope these tips will help you to dress luxuriously on a budget. I'm Dr. Clarissa Shaw. I am a dentist living in Southern California, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my women's lifestyle channel. I talk about fashion, home decor, and money-saving tips.